Welcome to this guided meditation, positive energy. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale, allowing yourself to relax, leaving behind the worries of the day. This is your time to recharge, to refill yourself with light and positivity. Let's begin by focusing on the breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale gently through your mouth. Imagine each inhale bringing fresh energy, and each exhale releasing any tension or negativity. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, in and out. Feel your body relax with each breath. Now begin to picture a warm golden light surrounding you, like the gentle glow of the morning sun. This light is pure, peaceful, and filled with positive energy. As you breathe in, imagine this golden light flowing into your body, filling every cell with warmth and vitality. With each breath, this energy grows stronger, radiating from your heart and expanding outwards, surrounding you in a protective and loving aura. Feel this positive energy dissolving any stress, fear, or negativity. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. You are safe. You are at peace. You are filled with light and love. Now, silently or out loud, repeat these affirmations after me. I am full of positive energy. I attract joy and abundance into my life. I radiate love, peace, and happiness. I am strong, confident, and worthy. Every breath I take fills me with calm and clarity. Feel these words sinking into your being, becoming a part of you. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this time to recharge and invite positivity back into your life. Feel the warmth of gratitude filling your heart. When you're ready, gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, slowly opening your eyes, carrying this positive energy with you throughout the day. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you found this practice helpful, feel free to return to it whenever you need a boost of positive energy. Stay peaceful, stay radiant, and take care.